Well, news just in that the BJP is in a huddle. Delhi party in charge Satish Upadhyay and Prabhat Jha have met Nitin Gadkari, who is the BJP in charge of Delhi, and they discussed the possibility of forming the government. BJP sources are now telling us that the party is waiting for a formal invite from the Lieutenant Governor, after which they will analyze all possibilities. Brijesh, the BJP there already in a huddle. Take us through once, the MHA approves the recommendation or this letter that's been forwarded by the LG. What happens next? Because the BJP already considering all possibilities here.
Well, Sana, once the MHA approves, the file is sent back to President, and then the President will inform the Lieutenant Governor that yes, you should go ahead and invite the single largest party or the group which is there and to form the government. It is once the LG receives the note back from the President, then it will set the ball rolling in formation of the next governor, then the next government, then the LG will invite the single largest party, which is the BJP, to form the government. And if they are ready to form, they are ready to prove the majority of their group on the floor of the assembly. And after that, if the BJP refuses, then it might go ahead and invite if there is a group of, say, example of an alliance between Aam Aadmi Party and Congress, and if none of the party seems or comes forward to form the government, then they will send the file back to LG, who will have to call for fresh elections. Delhi has time till February, till you can have the president rule without going for election or the formation of new government. The BJP, as I have been telling you, has been in huddle because they want to show a unanimity of voice within the BJP to make sure that all the senior leadership are on one track. They are very sure about who is going to be the next chief minister of BJP, because remember, Sana, once the decision to form the government is taken, the most contentious issue is going to be who is going to be the next chief minister of Delhi. So BJP will try to solve all these questions, find queries to all these questions before they decide to jump on to accept the offer made by LG.
Absolutely. This time it looks like things will finally be settling on the political front as far as Delhi is concerned. Brijesh and Moushami, do stay with me. My colleague Brijesh spoke to BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra on the Delhi government formation. Let's listen into what the BJP leader said.
We have with us Sambit Patra, BJP spokesperson. Sambit, LG has sent a note to President House, and President House has sent the note back to MHA. So what is the future course of action for BJP?
See, as far as BJP is concerned, the state unit president, Mr. Satish Upadhyay, has made it exceedingly clear that we have not received any invitation as yet. If we receive an invitation in the future, then we will surely make a critical analysis of the situation and we will reply accordingly.
Sambit, the fact remains that BJP is 6 or 7 MLAs short of majority, and Aam Aadmi Party is saying that any invitation to BJP will lead to horse trading, and Aam Aadmi Party leaders Ashutosh has called it kind of rape of constitution. So what do you have to say on that?
See, two things have to be exceedingly clear over here. Categorically, I would like to state that our leadership has stated that we would not indulge in any kind of wrongdoings like horse trading and all. Secondly, and very importantly, whatever the Bharatiya Janata Party would do, if it receives an invitation, will within the ambits of constitutionality. We will not exceed the premier's, the compound wall of constitutionality. As far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, it is not to be taken very seriously. AAP, that is abusing and accusing party, has been doing since the very beginning, this kind of politics. The Aam Aadmi Party got married to the Congress. They were in a honeymoon phase in Delhi. They ruled for 49 days. And suddenly, because of overzealousness and over-ambitiousness of becoming the Prime Minister overnight, they rushed to Varanasi. There they got drowned in the Ganga. And today, this sudden wish of resurfacing in Yamuna is something which the people of the country and people of Delhi in particular have realized. So they should introspect before they accuse others.
Sambit, but well, the fact of the matter remains that, initially the BJP with 32 MLAs made a categorical denial to LG when it was asked to form a government. Now BJP is toying with the idea. Do you think that this is also to the fact that BJP is not confident given the way post-poll elections have happened?
No one is shying away from the election, and time and again our leadership has reiterated this. I have told you also in the past, and I'll tell you again, that whatever decision we will take, if at all we receive the invitation, would be within the ambits of constitutionality. So no kind of confusion should be there in this whole thing.
What do you mean by ambit of constitutionality?
Ambit of constitutionality means legal limits. Nothing wrong would be done. If at all the critical analysis projects something, and I believe that would be according to the constitution of the country. As of now, we have not received an invitation, so why should we speculate something?
But how will you get numbers? Because there are only two other independent MLAs. So how do you expect to get numbers?
No. We are not calculating on all these issues right now. Let us first receive the invitation. Thereafter, we will think of all these issues. If at all, we have to think on these issues.
This was Sambit Patra saying that BJP will act only in accordance to the constitutionality and the BJP will not indulge in any kind of horse trading whatsoever. With camera person Pratap, Brijesh Pandey for Headlines Today.